Good morning, everyone, and welcome once again to the Train Expert channel on this Wednesday. Yep, there's the train right there.
Do you want me to pull in behind
the... I'll get to the, on this Wednesday, I got lost.
You're okay.
Monday, February 1st, 2023. Before we do any trains on there, I have one announcement I want to make before we get started on the trains, that we're not going to be doing any trains on the Train Expert channel today, with Jolene, since she's got to be off all this week for schools, and also we do the overnight. She hasn't been messaged since Sunday that, yeah, we got a very short grain hopper train, but I'm not gonna do the trains until after I do the one announcement. So that we're not gonna be doing no trains on the regular or the Train Expert channels with Jolene today. So that for now, and then so before we go any further, remember, subscribe to the Train Expert channel on YouTube and the regular channel pages as well. We just got 96 subscribers on the regular channels, and we got almost 1,600 videos of trains and trainless videos, like the NS, the CSX, the OC and T we're doing right now. We're going to get to the trains here coming up in just a bit, and we do B and P. Oh, lost one of your glasses, and all that good stuff here on All Galore here at the Train Expert channels. Check it out. Also, subscribe to my regular YouTube channel. We got almost 600 videos of the holidays, the storm updates and weather, truck videos, and all that good stuff here on the regular channel page. Check it out. Yeah, she just messaged Sunday night about there was a Norfolk Southern train was on fire, and she watched it on the news at that nursing home place and stuff, and it said right around, I think she messaged just before 12 a.m. on late Sunday night into Monday. And no, we're sitting over at Quality and we're just watching the trains. We're just getting ready to start the train events, as long as they're not done for the day. So I don't know if they're going, I don't know if we're going to get the light power coming back or they're going to be done for the day. There's already snow on the ground. So, so. No, this is a Toyota we're in. This is the second time in the train, in Jeffrey the Train Expert history, we're in a Toyota. In case we're just wandering. That's what, huh?
Mm-hmm.
We just had like 16 train, almost getting close to 10, 11 train videos of the the tankers, the freight yards, and and we did have we had the DPU engine at the end to close out the Train Expert channel. Between Alco's 75 and 85 on there. So keep that in mind. We'll have it here. And
do you have any other announcements?
There's the horn. There comes the horn. So
what's that mean?
They'll be coming back.
Oh, okay.
All right. We've been around. We're getting on to 7 minutes. I gotta get on. I gotta get some train videos on there. So we're gonna get off. Again, we're just making the announcement that we're not going to be doing no train events with Jolene this week since she's getting busier. But the good thing is, as Ashley just pointed out just before we got into the Toyota, that she's not going to quit. And no, I'm talking about that Jolene or Abby's not quitting. No, there comes the light power. So I'm going to get off and catch this light power train. And we'll be back on with the first train right about now. Talk to you later.